Hey, it's Anna here, and this is my newest cordless electric lawnmower. Coronavirus or not, summer is coming, and with it, the lawn mowing season begins, which means you have to mow the lawn. I said have to, but for some people it's I want to. I am that person who loves mowing the lawn. I wish I could have a whole tractor, but my garden is not that big. I am becoming more and more an e-person. Let me explain. Someone who likes electronic products. Give me everything e, like e-bikes, e-scooters, e-cars, e-lawnmowers. Because, of course, why not? If there's a possibility, why would I want to smell petrol while working in the garden? Or why would I want to work with cables trying to mow the lawn and somehow always cut the cables? It's just super inconvenient, and those wired lawnmowers are not even cheaper. So yes, that's basically the reason that this year I went for an electric lawnmower, my super newest cordless lawnmower. Let's call him Carlos, he's all red. Carlos is the tiniest, cheapest electric lawnmower within the Einhell family. Being the tiniest also means the cheapest. Carlos cost around 120 euros, and after working together with Carlos, the lawnmower, I can tell you, I really like him. I love you, Carlos. Carlos feels like a toy. Even a 7-year-old kid can work with Carlos because it's just so light, so easygoing, so easy handling. It's easy to move him, it's easy to turn him, it's just a toy, a pleasure to play with. Lawn mowing becomes a game with him, especially when the battery dies and you know that there is an hour break. You have to wait for an hour until it's fully charged to be able to play with him again. At least this applies for my Akku, which is the Power Exchange 3.0 ampere hour. This is what they include as a starter kit battery. This battery works for maximum 20 minutes for me, so if you want to mow the lawn a bit longer than 20 minutes, you better buy one more battery. So yeah, this is the best VR game experience I've ever had. Super fun! Before I purchased Carlos, I had these questions in my mind, like, are Einhell mowers any good? I would say now, absolutely, I recommend. The electric lawnmowers are cordless, no petrol smell. What you need is a power exchange battery. How to use Einhell battery charger? Just insert the battery there and plug it in the connector. There is only one hole for it, you can't miss it. Where are Einhell mowers made? In Germany. A really nice place and really nice products are produced in this country. I'm totally convinced now. How good are Einhell power tools? As I said, my battery is 3.0 ampere hour, lasts for maximum 20 minutes. If you want to work longer, you better buy 1 or 2 more batteries. They have several options for battery capacities. You can choose a better battery than I have. It's all the matter of money you are willing to spend. In my case, I bought 1 more battery because I just couldn't get enough of this toy. It's just way too convenient, way too fun, and moving the lawn after work makes me relaxed. Does everything still work after months of everyday usage? Yes. Is it easy to set up? Yes, it was pretty easy, except for one part, the box. It's made out of 2 parts, which were hard to press into one. There is a 3-level axial cutting height adjustment. Einhell recommends my mower to lawn areas up to 150 square meters. but I use it for 1000 square meters. It works pretty cool. And finally, how does it sound like? Listen. This is the end of my Einhell cordless lawnmower review. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Enjoy the rest of the day!